Let's get started. In 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2 e doble. 5, 6, amplified and shuffle. 1, turn, throw on 3. Now 5, 6, and 7. 1, grab, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 of the 360. Push her back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, shoulder, 5, 6, keep them steady. Prepare, 2 for a turn, 5, 6, 7. A little change of the beat, 5, 6, 7. Change, 1, 3, 5, point. 1, stop, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.